Okay, good morning everyone. Oh. Slept great. Just kidding. So my new sleeping bag is a quilt and it like straps underneath. And I don't know, last night I was freezing and then I got so hot in the middle of the night. I was so uncomfortable trying to figure out how to like open it up, get enough of a breeze to where it wasn't like cold again. Anyway, so this morning I wake up, I'm like, I hope my socks and stuff are dry. No, I put them on the wrong side of the shelter. So they're all wet, along with everybody else. They put them over here. There's another side of the shelter that we could have put them on. So the wind is going this direction and blowing all the wet, drippy rain on everything. So my poles are soaked, my shoes are soaked, my socks are soaked, my insoles are soaked. Everything's wet. So I'm just gonna put them on wet and hike and see how I do. So I'm not the only one doing it, so who knows? We'll see how it goes. If I hate it, then I'll switch to hiking in these bad lads. Yep, so I made these. Oh yeah, I already showed you guys, so anyway. Okay. Oh, and Lucky is still, she's still snoozing inside. Right in here. Good morning, Luck. Are you trying to get out? Hold on. There you go. Good morning. Sleepy sleepies. I always let you sleep in.
You ever do this thing where you walk into a...
Okay. I gotta get my bear bag down. I decided to hang it this time. It's just easier than finding a tree. So, I'm gonna go unclip this fancy cable here. And down it comes. Oh, and it's soaking wet. Yep. Nice and wet. And I gotta unhook that big cable. There we go. Now to put it in my dry backpack. Nothing like putting on cold, wet socks.
Yeah, right.
I'm curious, yours usually dry on the trail?
What's that?
Have yours ever dried on the trail?
It depends. Usually not, no. I mean,
they just stay wet.
if the sun
they
comes
warm
out
up.
and it's not, but I mean, the trail turns into a river sometimes, you know, it's unavoidable.
Oh yeah. So they're just gonna get wet again.
Yeah. There's no point in putting on dry socks when it's like that. Like, you're just gonna have 2 pairs of wet socks.
Yep. Agreed.
They have dried though, yeah. It's like all of a sudden the weather turns nice, you know.
Oh yeah.
It takes a little while.
Alright, just started hiking. Lucky's all geared up. You ready? She kept stopping on top of little hills in the back, so she talked me into carrying her. It is all downhill right now, so but once we start uphill, we'll have her hop out.
This is a great thing.
That's crazy. Found mushrooms all up this tree. And we were saying it looks like different stages, and maybe those are the older ones. Today, Lucky gets some trail mush. Just add water and scoosh around. It used to be powder, so it's super light. And now it's gonna be some mushy deliciousness. This one's got like all kinds of veggies and some seafood in there. So, it's pretty good food. It's from the brand, I think, Honest Kitchen. So, I think she's gonna like it. Yeah, look. Want some food? What do you think? Alright, come on. Yes? You want? Okay, I got a new solution. I made sure to get a rain jacket that was a little big, just for this reason. So, she's been cold, and this keeps the rain away and the cold wind. So, this is our windbreak. And it's keeping her roasty toasty. She's not cold right now. Oh, well, she just went in, so she's a little bit cold. Okay.
What that thing is, but
Mushroom Mush. Not sure what he is, but if you know, let me know. Crazy. Look at this guy. I love him. It's a millipede. These guys are super nice. They don't bite or anything. And they are the cleaners of the forest. They like to eat old rotting wood and dead leaves. And they just make this place look pretty. Yep. Okay, not sure what this is, but on the underside there's a flower and it smells really good. Yes. Alright. Tray Mountain Wilderness. Can barely see it. Chattahoochee National Forest. Yeah, buddy. Beautiful up there. But we're heading that direction. It's wedged in. Boop. Look at that beast. Deep gap. Shelter. There's water down there. That way. And then in the morning, head out that way. And we came from that way. Off we go. Water. That way. Yeah. Delicious. I'm gonna get some water from the nature fridge. Yeah. Nice slow fill up process. Screw that on top, flip the top, and drink straight from it. Look, we made it!
oh, good.
Hey. Heck yeah! Alright!
Hello, you dearie one. You've arrived.
Yay!
You've arrived.
Heck yeah!
Oh my God, how was your walk? Huh?
You
see
good?
Postman along your way, did you?
Postman?
The mailman?
No, we didn't see the mailman.
You got the old guy. The mailman?
Oh, the older guy?
Oh,
Yeah, we saw him.
You did pass him, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, we passed him. He's on his way.
Probably right around,
There's an upstairs.
Ooh, woo-woo. Taking a little video up here.
Oh,
That's cool. Huh. Even got a window.
you got a window, huh?
Ah. This one's fancy.
Oh, so glad it didn't rain.
Yeah. It was just cold. But I'm glad it didn't rain too. It was awful. Good. Chattahoochee National Forest, Tallulah Ranger District, Deep Gap Shelter. Look, we made it. It's cold, but we made it. Woohoo! in the heat. I don't mind sunshine. I don't mind like dying, sweating in the heat. So that might change later on. We'll see. But yeah, and it's supposed to rain a little later too. But it's like 6:30. What time is it? Let's see what time it is. Let me get to my fancy little Fitbit. It is 6:34 in Georgia right now, and I'm exhausted. I'm tired. I had biscuits and gravy for dinner. Sounds delicious, and it was delicious. Put a little salt and pepper in there and some hot sauce, and it was prime. Yeah, what else? Yeah, Lucky's just been walking around, being life of the party, and anytime campers are like making food, she's down there begging, wagging her tail. She's already in bed. That's the first thing I do when I get to the shelter now is, first thing is blow up my mattress and get the sleeping bag out so she can like lay on there and warm up and cozy up somewhere. Otherwise, she ends up going on other people's sleeping bags. So, but yeah, the people that I've been hiking kind of with, they seem to love puppy dogs. So, and every time they see her, they're like, oh, there she is. So, yep. But yeah, and then and we have these little lavender pouches. So little pouches with organic lavender in it, and they put a little stamp on it that's got a mama kangaroo with a baby in the pouch. And because you know, trail name is Kanga and Roo. I'm Kanga and Lucky's little Roo. And I guess mice don't really like lavender, at least that's what I heard. I don't know if it's true, but yeah, I gave everybody little lavender pouches because I guess this shelter has really bad mouse problem. And yeah, we'll see tonight. Usually they come out at night and it's a pain. I hear stories of them like running across people's faces and all that. So we'll see tonight. But yeah, make these little lavender pouches and they're 0.2 of an ounce. So about 7 grams. And yeah, so if you guys want one, you let me know and I'll find a way to get one over to you. So, alrighty. Yeah, I guess good night and have an awesome day, whatever time you're watching this. Have a good morning, have a good afternoon, and have a good night. Bye, guys. I'm so annoyed. I went to put my nice new, like, small company, it's called Vroomy, shirt on. Vroomy, heck yeah. Like, awesome, like, all recycled material, really great company. Small, like, started in the garage. I got this from Garage Grown Gear, and I went to put it on, and lo and behold, put this thing on, and boom, there is a hole, and below this hole are some bite marks. You see those 2 little bite marks? Like, they bit. Freaking mice. Freaking mice. My first time in a shelter. I had just kind of tossed this over my bag last night. And there's even more. More holes over here. This is dumb. Another one there. I'm like, what? Oh, yeah. There's holes. Brand new shirt. Worn it. This was my 3rd time putting it on. First time was just kind of to try it on. Walk around in it. And I think I had it on for maybe one other time, but just now I went to put it on for the 3rd time ever. And boom. Big old hole. Like, there you go. See it? I'm gonna reach out to the company and see what they can do for me. So maybe they'll send me a fresh one. I don't know. So, but yeah. Alright guys, well, I just thought I'd share that with you. And in the meantime, I'm just gonna tuck this away somewhere safe. I'm never again leaving any of my clothing out. Yeah. Someone else had a similar issue. He had a merino wool shirt, but he actually had like peanut butter on his and didn't realize that he had gotten some peanut butter on his shirt, and they ate through it. This has nothing on it. So, this is an expensive shirt. I really like it, and I spent a lot on it. It's so annoying. Okay, well, bye.